Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Nationwide Pet Insurance account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to get started. In the address field at the top, type in my.petinsurance.com and press enter. You'll end up in the main homepage for Nationwide Pet Insurance. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Register an Account button at the right-hand side of the screen and follow the instructions. If you'd like to log into your account, since you already have one, click on the Login button at the left-hand side of the screen and you'll end up in the login area on the next page. Enter your username right where it says username, make sure to type in your information correct, and head over to the password field and type in the password for your account. You can double check your password by clicking on the little eye icon at the right corner of the password box so that you can reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your username in the particular device, make sure to check this Remember Username box. But if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave it unchecked before logging into your account. In case you don't remember your username or your password while logging in, and you don't know what to do next, click on this Forgot Username/Password link and follow the instructions to look for your username or to reset your password to a new one. Finally, after typing in all of your information correct and you're ready to log in, click on the Login button and you'll be logged into your Nationwide Pet Insurance account. The Nationwide offers industry-leading pet health insurance for dogs, cats, birds, and exotic pets. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.